today's video, we'll be making edible cookie dough. I'm sure you all love a freshly baked cookie, but have you ever tried edible cookie dough? Well, it might be new for our Indian palate, but this dessert is one of the most popular desserts in America. From chocolate walnut to confetti, there are so many flavors which you can try. But first, let's start with our favorite classic, that is a chocolate chip cookie dough. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and run your own successful business. And before we begin, let me tell you that this recipe is completely egg-free. It is so easy to make that it takes only a few minutes, and the best thing is you can use this cookie dough as topping for your brownies or crust for ice cream bars and cheesecakes. So what are we waiting for? Let's start the recipe by heat treating the flour for making edible cookie dough. In a baking tray, we'll place a silicone mat and spread our all-purpose flour evenly. This step is a must, as heat treating the flour will kill all the bacteria that are present in it. Eating raw flour may cause stomach issues, so it's better to heat treat it first. We'll now place this tray in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 4 to 5 minutes. So our flour is spread. As you can see, it has turned darker in color and has a nutty fragrance that means it's ready. We are going to let it cool down a bit. Now, in a bowl, we'll cream butter and both the sugars, that is castor sugar and brown sugar, until the mixture is pale and fluffy. For this step, make sure that you are using soft room temperature butter, as that makes the creaming process a lot easier. Now, if you're someone who doesn't like bits of sugar in their cookie dough, then all you need to do is use melted butter instead of soft butter, as the warmth of melted butter will help in dissolving the sugar crystals. We'll add milk and vanilla into our creamed butter and then give it a good mix. Next, in this we'll sieve heat-treated flour along with some salt. Lastly, we'll add some dark chocolate chips. Here, if you want, you can also add your favorite nuts like almonds or walnuts. In case your dough is a little runny, you can chill it in the fridge so that it becomes stable and you can scoop out some nice balls of cookie dough. Here you go, our edible cookie dough is ready. I hope you guys like this recipe, and do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe.